So what is a transformation and what does it do? If you know what the parent graphs, we talked about all those graphs, different types of graphs. If you know all of those and you know any transformation rules, then it becomes pretty easy for you to graph the new function. So what is a transformation? A transformation is it's either a shift, some types of dilation, or a reflection. And it's how we move it around. I'm going to talk about all those different types of things. So the first thing we're going to talk about is a vertical shift. So what I want you to do is I want you on your calculator, take a minute, I want you to graph the functions x squared plus 2, and x squared minus 2. Go ahead, pause, and see what you find. So what did you see? What were the similarities and differences? Well, you should have seen 3 graphs that had exactly the same shape, but if you look, they were at different places on the y-axis. Okay, so we just shift. So vertical shift is when you have your function, you start out with your parent function f of x, and then you go to f of x plus k, where k is some number. Okay, and if k is greater than 0, then it's an upward shift, and if it's less than 0, it's downwards. So if I want to look at these functions and see what happens. What happened here? Well, I'm adding a negative 10, so it's going down 10. And here, it doesn't matter what the original function was. What am I doing here? I'm adding a 6, so I'm going up 6.